Watch him breathe. Let him relax. Okay, let's see. Just a little licking and chewing for us. Hey there, it's Dr. Doug Willen, and here we are at Rising Starr Horse Rescue in Connecticut. So we're going to be working on some horses today. We're going to check them head to toe. If you want more information of Rising Starr, it's in the description below. So we have Sammy today. Sammy is a quarter horse. He's been here for a long time, since he was about 4 years old, and he's probably, what, 16 now, or more or less? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and he's part of your program horse, so he works here at the farm, and he helps kids learn how to ride, and is really a big personality here at the farm. So we're going to take just a look. I haven't worked on Sammy yet, although if you've seen my previous Dakota video, my first Dakota video, Sammy was the one that was eating this bale and knocking it over and licking it. So you might have seen Sammy, and I took that as that Sammy was interested in maybe getting checked also. So I'm gonna just start checking a few things. And right away I noticed the right atlas is really wedged tight against the occiput. So I put my fingers in here between the space between the edge of the jaw and the wing of the atlas. And on the left side I can almost get 2 fingers distance. And the right side I barely can get 1. It's really tight. So that's a nice thing to look at, because that'll give, and look, it's sensitive here too. So if I touch this spot right here, there's the eye flickers right there. Flicker, 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 flicker the eye. So I don't know if I should start there, just give him a second to get to know me, but it might be ready. He seems pretty mellow. Plus sometimes if you get that spot, so many other spots go away, because it's up at the pole. It's just the edge of one side of the pole. Okay, I know that was a little strong, but I wanted to get that space open for you. So let's let you feel that for a second. A little bit of a lick, not a ton. But look at his top line, it's relaxed. He's still thinking about that. Plus I'm gonna rub it out, we're not done yet. So I'm gonna come around, oh, sorry, bumping the camera woman. And I'm gonna just feel the space now. Now I can get a 1.5 fingers on the right and 1.5 fingers on the left, and let's see if he's as twitchy. Still a little bit, so it's still sensitive. I'm not done. I'd like to say, oh, I'm perfect, but I'm not. But look, I'm on it now. So let's go look at the muscle knot above it. And I'm gonna see if he'll let me massage him a little bit. So I'm gonna grab his nose and start to laterally flex. Come on, boo. And massaging the pole, letting him release. Now remember, this is sensitive here. It's so sensitive. And I'm letting him feel that. And we want it to let go so it won't stress out his head and his neck and affect eating and grazing and
having fun. And, you know, if you're riding with a lot of different riders, let's say you have one horse that's all yours and you guys know each other so well, you're not going to get so much pulling on the reins. But with different level riders, you might have someone that yanks the head a lot and creates a tug of war with the head. Now I'm going to just let him come over a little bit and just hold. And I'm watching his eye, getting him to relax. I'm holding the pole. I'm going to just let him relax. Someone turn off your phone. Picture this as a bedtime story, and then someone's phone goes off. It's okay. Watch him breathe. Watch his nostrils. Watch him breathe. Let him relax. Okay, let's see. Just a little licking and chewing for us. So that means he just de-stressed a little bit. That's a parasympathetic nervous response or parasympathetic nervous system. There's two halves to the nervous system. There's the sympathetic, which is the fight, flight, fright, freeze. When a prey animal like a horse needs to be on alert. There's gnats and flies in my eyes, so that's why I'm rubbing my eye. And then the parasympathetic is rest, recovery, healing. And so we're trying to switch over a little bit when I'm working on a horse from that sympathetic intensity to the parasympathetic relaxing, and the licking and chewing is, and the eyes softening and the head going down and relaxing. And you don't want that top line to be all tense and pulled back. So we let the horse relax and just take that in. So now I'm going to come back up and check our work. Much softer. Good. Let's check the other side. Come here. All right. You still have something at C6, so I'm going to adjust that. First, I'm going to laterally flex the head. I find it by feeling, not looking. And bring it right there. Got it. Okay, that was C6. He's shaking it out, thinking about it. Scratching his head on his own. All right. So I'm going to keep looking, okay? First, let me feel this. Make sure I got it enough. Oh, now we got a wailing dog. Do you hear that one? I'm back on C6, checking range of motion. You can come swing around, watch this. Okay, good. All right, so let's let him be. He's licking. And I finally finished C6. So now I'm up here past the withers, coming down, got a twitch here. Just below the withers, a T9. I'm gonna adjust T9 next, I think. It's a rib too, right there. Watch his eyes. That's painful. Sorry, I know, that's a tender spot. So I'm gonna get my bale, which is a big styrofoam box wrapped in canvas. What do you think of that? Can I step on that and talk to you? Work on you a little bit? All right, maybe it'll give me this quick moment to get T9. Wobbly board. Here it is. See, it twitches. Right in there. That's it. I'm sorry, Sammy. Got it. I think that was it. Got it. Okay. So it's twitchy here at the ilium. This side is a little low, so I'm going to adjust his ilium. It's called an anterior superior ilium. Got it. Did I scare you, Michelle? I should have warned you.
Oh no, it's okay. It's, you know, just a reaction.
Look at it. Look at him licking, though. I got that really well.
Yes. Should I let him walk around?
Yeah, let him walk around. Because I got that really well. You can see his head is hanging low. He's got sleepy eyes. He's in a very relaxed posture. You can move up, Rhea.